So in Vietnam, people often call the first name or the last name.
Or the first name.
So they will usually call you Quỳnh instead of Nguyễn. Nguyễn or Lê.
My last name is Trần.
Oh my god. Oh, I forgot about that. So, can you name several titles that are common in Vietnam?
Mr.
Mr.
Miss.
Okay. So, how old are you?
Can you repeat?
How old are you? How old are you?
25 years old.
What are your height and your weight? Can you remember?
My height is 165.
65. Okay,
Centimeter.
pretty high. Pretty high in Vietnam. For girls.
And Ủa, chiều cao vậy gì nữa? Em hỏi gì?
Weight. What
weight.
are your weight?
And my weight
Is
about 48 kilogram.
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 Okay, so what color is your hair? Now.
Blonde curly hair.
Color blonde. Okay. So do you intend to dye it? Dye it?
Anh Kiên hả em?
No. Dye it tức là nhuộm. D-Y-E.
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to have straight hair or curly hair?
I like curly hair.